boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. Thank you very, very much for your support. Thank you for giving me 30 seconds on those ads. I appreciate it over and over again. Thank you very, very much. If that's your contribution to The Scoop, we're a small, tight, loyal group, my friends. I love it. I love it. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm an author. I write books. You guys know that. My books can be found Amazon.com. You can go to any bookstore in America. You can type in Mickey D. You can ask them. They'll order it for you if they don't have it on their shelves. And I thank you very, very much for your support. My new book coming out, How to Start a Marijuana Investment Club. And I'll be dealing with a lot of investment clubs that have kind of gone in that marijuana direction. I've been advising some of them lately. But the book you can get right now, and it'll kind of weed you through there and tell you how to go. The other day, I'd like to talk a second or so about the other day I accused John Nigerian of panicking when he got out of IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties, just as it was in its range. It's 100. It did close a couple days, maybe 99 or so, but it was 100 to 110. We were in that range, and he decided I'm unfairly singling him out because I believe he's the one behind it, behind this particular ETF. Not necessarily. So I really kind of got to ease up on him. His name is not on it. Someone else is the manager of that particular ETF. But the bottom line is they got out early. And in my new book, How to Start a Marijuana Investment Club, I lean on ETFs, and I lean on the management of ETFs not making moves like that, and an ETF being safe, and not ETF managers not necessarily. That's why you can only rebalance like certain periods of time, so you don't see a stock and it's going down and we're going to get out and you make an emotional move. And I thought whoever made that move, he didn't have to make it. I thought that getting out of that stock that we singled out in Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks as a teenager, $17, $18, $19 or so is when we started accumulating. Full disclosure, I do own 400 shares of that stock, and I have said that stock is the only stock that anyone investing in the marijuana sector, which is a lot of people, especially a lot of people that, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you on board, my friends. Let me know you're out there. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know some people are listening, my friends. But IIPR, we did get as a teenager. Full disclosure, I do own 400 shares of that, and I'm gonna ride it like forever. So what we want that stock to do is go up, and we want it to split 2 for 1. Like I told you, when I was trading the .coms in the 1990s, that my AOL was this IIPR stock. I'm comparing it to. I hope it goes up, splits maybe 2 for 1, comes on back down. Splits 2 for 1, come on down. Splits 2 for 1, come on back down. It has potential to do that. I'd love to see that. Like AOL was splitting sometimes twice a year. There was got a lot of good things going on back in the 90s with some of those stocks. A lot of bad things also, and you live through it all and you learn from it all, my friends. But my friends, today there was an announcement made by one of our companies. Now, every now and then I'll call them Tuesday. Was it Friday night? Before they rebranded to 1933 Industries. That tells you how long we've been in this business, huh? And I've been going over to their new building, and they've been threatening to transfer their cannabis plants to their new cultivation center, which is up the street, and here in Nevada, and I'm going to verify that, my friends. I'm going to verify. Last time we were here, there were no cars. There were no, basically it was me and the security guard. And it's been that way now for months. They'll put out an announcement. They've done this and they've done that. They've moved into their core. They hadn't done a thing, my friends. And then I had people come by that I work with, and the parking lot is empty, Mick, day and night. Mickey, there's nothing there. Don't even worry about it, man. They're just blowing smoke. Well, maybe not. This is a company that we've hung with for a very long time. I know there are many of you that have thousands and thousands of shares of 1933 Industries, and we're anticipating it fulfilling its potential. Signed a lot of contracts, a lot of deals. They're doing a lot. Let's just see, just take it one step at a time. Let's just see if there's some cars and some trucks or something right here at the building besides a security guard. And the gates will probably be locked or closed if they have, and they maybe, you won't be able to just walk on like I was been able to for months, especially if they have all their product there. So it's maybe about a half a mile or so up the street. And I'm going to pause this and we're going to go ahead and take a look. I might have to they know my car. They don't really, security has been briefed. So I may have to just drive by and just show you out the window what's kind of going on real slow. And maybe that may be it. But let's try and get an idea if there is some action there. So I'm going to proceed, my friends, right now. And when I get closer to the building, I'll come back to you. Okay, I'm kind of going up the street here. I'm going to hit that area there where I'm going to have to make a turn. And I'm going to roll my window down if I have to grab. Okay, I'm seeing cars. I'm seeing trucks. I'm seeing people go in. Let me let you guys know so you can see. Oops, sorry about that. As you can see, there's cars out there. There's trucks. There's security right at the gate. That's what we were looking to see. Security right there. And as I go there, you can see there are people going in. There are workers. Yeah, that's what we wanted to see. They got product in there. Let me switch around here. Let me switch around. They got product, my friends. They got product. When you have security right there at the gate, there's a difference. Okay, let's take a look here. Okay, looks like they're putting in maybe a little water line or something there. They're doing a little work there, but they've got product. Now, the gate is straight. Look at that, straight locked. There you go. Yeah. That's the way they get down. That's the way they get down. That's straight locked. The security guard is a female guard. She looked at me like I was crazy. They got a big, thick lock on it. And I'm going to get on with it. And she's look at it. Coming like she's going to the car. Well, at least they got a security guard now that knows what they're doing. I mean, she looked, that was probably straight police just on the side here. They got product there. Ain't nothing happening there now. There's not any of that. None of the things that I could do before, I could do now. It ain't happening. It's not happening, my friends. Stone cold security at the doors, at the gate, big, thick lock. I don't know if you got a chance to take a look at it there. Big, thick lock. One in and one out type deal. You're not going in there. They've got the product there, my friends. Nothing's happening there. So, hey, that's it. I can confirm that 1933 Industries has made the transfer to its new cultivation facility, and that has happened. So the security's tight. You got a lot of cars there. You got trucks, and the trucks were on the side. As I was going, I was showing you the building. The trucks were on the side, and they have it going on. So with that said, my friends, 1933 Industries, whether it'll get a bump or not, who knows? But that's one of the companies, one of our little baby knockouts that we've stuck with now for a couple years. And I've been in and out of it. I currently do not have a position, 1933 Industries, but from what I saw today, I'll keep an eye on the stock and, talk to your stockbroker if you think that's something that you want to try. I believe USD, it's about 27, 28 cents now. We're looking for them to do big things, my friends. Take care. God bless you. Have a great day. And pick up the books. I don't have anything to show you. T-shirts. Thank you, my friends, and have a great day. Bye-bye.